Have you ever uploaded a YouTube video and instantly regretted it? Maybe you made a mistake, or maybe you forgot something important, or maybe you had a coffee stain on your shirt that you didn't notice. There is a reason I wear black t-shirts to record my videos. The question is, can you just replace that video with a new one? Well, let's break it down. The short answer: no. Unfortunately, YouTube does not allow you to swap out a video and keep the same views and likes and comments that you've accumulated. Once it's uploaded, that file is essentially locked in. But don't click away just yet, because there are some smart workarounds, and we'll walk through some of those options now. Let's say you've made just a small mistake, like a name that you mispronounced or a section that you want to cut out. You can use YouTube's built-in editor. Just go to your YouTube studio and pick your video, and then scroll to the editor tab. From there, you can trim the beginning or the middle or the end, or you can blur something on the screen. You can replace the background music if you've got that. You can add or update end screens and cards. But there is a catch. Once you save those edits, you can't go back and make additional changes unless you revert the entire edit. So be sure about the fix before you hit save. If your video needs major changes, like maybe you missed a key point altogether, or you want to completely reframe it, another option might be to just upload a fresh, updated version of that video and make the original video unlisted so it no longer shows up publicly. And then you're going to want to go and link the new video in the old video's description and in the pinned comment, because somebody might still have the link to that old video if they've been watching it previously. So you want to refer them to the new updated version. And just remember, it's a brand new video you're putting up there, so you're going to lose all of the original views from that first video. You're also going to lose the comments and the watch time history. But if accuracy matters more, and sometimes it really does, this is a pretty solid move. Now, something creators forget fairly often is that most people haven't seen your old videos. So for example, I've got a video on my channel that is, I think, 5 years old now, and it is maybe the best video, it has been the best video on the channel in the past for sure, about how to put a profile picture on Zoom. And so very simple, but people complained about how loud the music was on it and a few other things, because it was one of my early videos and I didn't know really what I was doing altogether yet at that point. But I've since made an update to that video, which I think is probably 2 years old now, and I get referrals to that updated video from the original video, and both of them now collect views and watch time for my channel. Of course, there's always the question of whether or not you should delete old videos altogether. And that's a whole separate conversation, but here's a quick thought. In my opinion, no, you usually shouldn't delete videos, because even imperfect videos can drive traffic and show growth. So ultimately, no, you can't replace a video file directly on YouTube, but you do have 3 smart options. You can edit it with YouTube's own tools, the built-in YouTube editor. You can upload a new one and just unlist the old one. And you could make a new one and let both of them live. Or you could delete the old one, which I don't recommend. Want some help planning your next videos with fewer regrets? You can download my YouTube content blueprint in the description box below. Or you can book a coaching session with me. We'll spend 50 minutes or so creating a roadmap for your YouTube channel to get you to that 1,000 subscriber mark if you haven't hit it yet. And let me know in the comments, have you ever uploaded a video that you wish you could take back? And what did you do about it? Do you still worry about it? Don't forget to subscribe for more creator tips. Check out one of these helpful videos next, and I'll see you there. All the best.